In this video, you'll learn how to install Java on Ubuntu 22.04, known as Jammy Jellyfish. Here we are in Ubuntu. Let's open a terminal window and zoom in. There are many versions of Java available. We'll install OpenJDK, which is the reference implementation of Java, and it's available to us using the apt command. First, let's update the apt packages by running sudo apt update. You'll need to enter your password since sudo is a privileged command. The apt update command downloads the latest package information from the repositories your machine is configured to use. And let's check to see if Java is already installed on our machine by running java-version. Java isn't installed, but we get back a list of the possible versions of Java we can install. At the time of this recording, in this list, Java 11 and 17 are both long-term support versions, which will be supported and maintained for an extended period of time. You should install one of these versions unless you specifically need a feature that's in one of the other versions. We'll need elevated privileges to install the software, so we'll use sudo for all the commands we run. We'll install version 17 of the JRE by running sudo apt install OpenJDK 17 JRE headless. We're asked to confirm the installation, so let's say yes, and Java is installed. We can confirm that by running java-version once again, and the banner for version 17 is shown. Now let's run javac-version. Looks like we still have some work to do. We need to install the JDK now to get access to the build tools like javac. We'll run sudo apt install OpenJDK 17 headless. And when that's done, we can run javac-version. And we see the banner for version 17 of the JDK. Cool, version 17 is ready for us to use. Okay, that's it, you're done. Go and enjoy your Java. Thanks for watching, and remember to always begin secure.